Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're new to exercise and fitness, it can be intimidating trying to figure out where to start. That's why we've put together this video with 10 essential tips for beginners to help you get started on your fitness journey. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, lose weight, or just feel more energized, these tips will set you up for success. Tip number 1, start slow. It's important to ease into exercise gradually to avoid injury and burnout. Start with low-intensity workouts, such as walking or yoga, and gradually increase the intensity as your fitness level improves. This can help you build a solid foundation and avoid getting overwhelmed. Tip number 2, find a workout you enjoy. Exercise is more enjoyable when you find an activity that you enjoy. There are so many different types of workouts to choose from, such as cardio, strength training, yoga, dance, and more. Experiment with different activities to see what you like best and what fits into your schedule. Tip number 3, set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you stay motivated and on track with your fitness journey. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually increase the difficulty as you progress. For example, you might start with a goal of walking for 30 minutes a day and eventually work up to running or taking a fitness class. Tip number 4, get a workout buddy. Having a workout buddy can be a great way to stay accountable and motivated. Find a friend or family member who shares similar fitness goals and schedule regular workouts together. You can also consider joining a group fitness class or hiring a personal trainer for added support. Tip number 5, wear the right gear. Wearing the right gear, such as proper shoes and comfortable clothing, can help you feel more confident and comfortable during your workouts. Investing in quality equipment can also make a difference in your performance and safety. For example, a good pair of running shoes can help prevent injury and improve your running form. Tip number 6, warm up and cool down. Warming up and cooling down before and after your workouts can help prevent injury and improve recovery. Start with some light stretching and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. This can help loosen up your muscles and get your heart rate up slowly. After your workout, take some time to stretch again and cool down gradually to help your body recover. Tip number 7, listen to your body. It's important to listen to your body and pay attention to any signs of discomfort or pain. If something doesn't feel right, stop the exercise and consult with a healthcare provider if necessary. It's better to take a break and recover than to push yourself too hard and risk injury. Tip number 8, mix up your workouts. Mixing up your workouts can help prevent boredom and keep you motivated. Try out different types of workouts, such as outdoor activities, group fitness classes, or home workouts. This can also help prevent plateaus and keep your body guessing. Tip number 9, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for maintaining good health and supporting your body's functions during exercise. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, and more if you're exercising for long periods of time or in hot weather. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, and other health issues. Tip number 10, be patient. Exercise and fitness take time and requires a commitment. Be patient with yourself and remember that progress takes time. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results immediately, keep at it and you'll eventually see progress. By following these 10 tips, you can get started on your fitness journey and make exercise a regular part of your routine. Remember to start slow, find a workout you enjoy, set realistic goals, and get a workout buddy. Wear the right gear, warm up and cool down, listen to your body, mix up your workouts, stay hydrated, and be patient. Good luck on your fitness journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exercise and fitness tips.